I'm honored to join you this morning for this in-person meeting of the IMF Sub-Saharan Africa Central Bank Network on central bank digital currency and digital payments. And to our distinguished guests traveling from across Africa, Asia, and the Americas, we are very happy and honored by your presence. We are equally grateful for your commitment to advancing collaboration among sister central banks. And on behalf of the National Bank of Rwanda, I warmly welcome you to Kigali